What's up? Hello, my boys. Hi, hello. Finally, the king is back. Yes, bro. Year is back. So, my boys. Okay, look like all work. So, my boys. So, my boys. Let's go working. So, I decided to fix something in our shop and inventory system because I don't like how our text box works. Now it works better, definitely. So, okay. Maybe we just okay, maybe some people will think this is for switching between monster and survivor. Yeah, that's it. Yo, bro, hi. How much progress done? Hello. I almost done fixing problems with shop and inventory because there was some problems. I've already fixed some of them. Okay, probably we need to add one more thing here because maybe some people think this character thing, this is like you select your character, but that's not. This is just preview. I don't know, maybe we just put here the preview. Maybe let's make some notification here. Text just not picking a role, like so. Are there any main gameplay mechanics done though? Bro, the whole game almost done was before, until I not decide to refactor the whole game. That's the problem. Game works, bro, but I need to remake that completely because I use object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. So let's put here scale text. So let's change text color maybe to yellow or red, like this one, I think. So because maybe some people think when they select and maybe they think this is like pick and roll before we play. Yeah, this is not pick and roll. Okay, it'll be better. So what I remade, let me show guys. Before we will have text box when we try to buy more, for example. It works like so. So it's show you total cost or something like so. Now when you press buy, okay, it doesn't work because I need to fix that. Noel is not here. How is this possible? I don't know, bro. Maybe he'll join or he's busy. Okay, my boys. So we need to see what's the problem. Pop-up text label visible, cost frame visible false, buy more buttons, buy visible false, but oh wait, final amount label visible equals to true, like this one. Let's try. Let's go to crates, buy more. Not enough coins, great. Okay, great. Okay, let's try to sell. Okay, I can't sell because get text box amount. Okay, yeah, my bad. I need to connect this function to my. Yeah, I remember that. What the hell? Self calculate by. Calculate by. Pop up more. Pop up more. Let's see if this works. Pop up frame for sell. Yeah, it works. Amount to sell, total sell. Okay, great, that's work. Where is error? Pop up final amount. Oh yeah. I need to add final amount also. Final amount inside our sell more, like here. Text label final amount. Yeah, I think I have an idea. Instead of asking the player how many crates she wants, just add some preset amount of them to, by example, buy 3 crates, buy 5 crates. I think that is more sensible. No, bro, no. You can buy 1 crate if you want, or you can buy a lot of crates. A lot of guys told about that, so this is not the way how we can do that. So you can buy only 1. You don't need to put your own amount. So yeah, I also thought about buy 5, 3 and so on. But for example, you want to buy 77 and or you want to buy 200. It really takes a lot of time to reach 200 or 1000 crates maybe. That's why this is also we the guys on the stream talk about that, and we decided that will be better like so. Yo bro, remember me? Yes, hello bro, welcome. Okay, final amount, let's see. Final amount, inventory, crates, sell. Okay, great. Sell more buttons. Yeah, that's it. I think we just take this one and make like so, like variable. Let's try. Okay, nice. Okay, sell. Yeah, great. So instead of making a lot of methods for each parameter, I just remove that, and now we have the same thing, the same method for each pop-up. So for buy more, for sell more, this is the same. Only the difference when we calculate, of course, because we need to calculate buy and calculate sell, it should be different ways. So we need inside the buy just get text box amount. We just remove that and calculate sell. Calculate sell. So we just create here is a method. Here is a method which called calculate sell, of course. My boys, calculate by we have. Let's create here is a function. Create viewer and calculate sell like this one. This method will calculate all what we need. 5 and 3 crates is beneficial for you. You can add a set amount. 10 is both good for player not wasting time and also good for you to earn player per time, which helps with the Roblox game algorithm. Guys, you don't understand. We can buy without this one. We can have 2 buttons, guys. Let me show. We can buy only one, so 5 time clicks on that. This is not difficult, I think. If you wanna buy 1000 crates, you can buy more just. And this is we talk about that with guys on the stream, and we also thought about maybe 5, maybe 3, maybe 2, 10, and so on. But guys, 5 times click on the button, this is not too hard, or 2 times or 3 times. Just you immediately buy that if you have enough money. But if you want to buy 10,000 crates, for example, you have a lot of coins, it definitely takes a lot of time to make like so. That's why we created this button. So like buy more. So my boys, okay, calculate sell. Let's see what we need here. We need also make like this. Sell more. Final amount. Okay, instead of buy pressed, let's create inside the constructor. Let's separate them. Sell pressed 0, final amount to sell. Here's yo bro, it's been a long time I didn't meet you. Yo, welcome bro, welcome. Sell pressed, here's inside the calculate sell. Calculate sell pressed. Yeah, some games are annoying because you need to pay with Robux to get some custom amount of any item in game. To pay with Robux to get some custom amount. Yeah. Guys, this is not my wish. I just thought it will be enough just to have only one button to buy one crate, but because some of you asked me about making button buy more, I decided to make this button, guys. This is not my wish. This is because some guys told me like, bro, it's really we need this button. That's why it's here, to buy custom amount of crates. Really, if you want to buy 2 crates, guys, you don't need a button to buy 2 crates. You can click 2 times and it will be very fast. Only 2 times. You don't need to confirm anything. You just click 2 times on the buy 1 crate and you instantly get the crate. You don't need every time buy more, put here's a one and buy and confirm. This is a lot of actions, guys. If you wanna buy only one, it's easy. I installing Arc Link and because Windows is bad. That's why I didn't see your stream. Great, bro, great. Okay, final amount to sell. Here, sell. Final amount to sell. Here is sell crate instead of this one. Of course, guys, if it will be not comfortable for all of us to use this function like so, of course, guys, I'll remake that. But now I think this is good decision. Instead of making a lot of buttons, and really some people really don't like a lot of buttons, and it can confuse them. And of course, if there's a lot of requests of making just buttons instead of amount, I'll do, guys, of course. Okay, my boys, calculate sell here, self-selected item. Okay, update data amount. Okay, let's try. You can sell only not enough crates. I don't know, let's try. But how does it goes? Great, bro, great, thank you. So let's go here, sell. For example, I want to sell this one. Wait. Yeah, wait. Calculate sell. Maybe like this one. If amount less, okay. Final amount label visible true. Oh wait, what the hell? We need it everywhere. Anyway, calculate sell, and here's also probably. Yeah, definitely, guys, we need it everywhere, so let's make it visible to true. Inventory create, I want to sell everything. For example, this one. Yeah, like this one. So I can sell, now you can sell only 5012 crates. And let's see if I get okay, yeah, great, all right. Now I want to buy more. For example, this big number. Okay, wait. What? Probably we need to restrict our text label, definitely. After some number, it it returns something different. This is interesting, by the way. Never saw that like so. Okay, let's go to the shop. Let's buy crates. Let's go in inventory and sell. So such a big number. Okay, for selling that's work. Why it doesn't work for buying? Okay, let's first for buy. I wanna see Maybe we don't update our data about money, maybe like so, yeah. Maybe. Okay, I wanna see amount. Okay, new amount maybe. Print new amount. Let's see. What's up? Let's go to the shop. Let's go here, buy more. Maximum. Okay, wait. Not enough money. What the hell? Yo, bro, I think it can be a bit confusing for some players. Like when you sell a crate, the total amount you can get by selling is about the number of crates you actually sell, so it shows like when you sell the crate, the total amount you can get by selling is about the number of crates you actually sell, so it shows like I didn't get what we're talking about. So you can only sell total amount that you get after selling, not okay, I've got it. Yeah, you're right. Maybe if you make it like you can only sell amount of crates you can sell, and next line total amount you get after selling. Yeah, definitely you're right. Okay, let's think how we can make that. Let's see what we have now. Sell, like this one. You can sell only yeah, okay, let's remake that. You're right. Go here. We don't need definitely total because we don't have a total at the beginning. So let's make that. Let's make total cost frame. Let's move it here. Total cost here. What the hell? Total cost. Okay. Total cost. And final amount. Let's move here. And cost frame. Let's move here. Maybe like this one. Like so. So cost frame. Probably like so, I think. Hello Albert, welcome, bro. So let's turn off this and this buttons max. Yeah, like this will be better, definitely. Okay, let's make like so. I agree, bro, with you. And we don't show, here is a, we don't show. Okay, let's hide first what we don't need, like this one and like this one. So this is by default, like it looks like. I'm assuming there's still a lot to do for the game. You're right. You're right. Okay. Amount to buy. Okay, let's make it like so first. Buy more. Let's test. And what's the difference now? What we make that? We calculate by. Let's change that. Final amount and cost frame. Yeah, cost frame we make visible only only here. Yeah, cost frame visible true. Visible true. Cost frame visible true. And probably here we'll make that cost frame, but by default it's visible to false, like this one. Calculate by. Oh wait, cost frame visible false, and here is cost frame will make cost frame visible false by default. Yeah, like this one. Let's try. So go in inventory, go to buy more. Yeah, we don't have total. Now we set buy. Oh, okay, not enough coins. Sell. Okay, let's sell first. Oh, nice. It'll be better. You can buy only this one. Yeah, definitely better. You're right, bro. Now it looks better. You can buy only this crate and total cost we see. And we can buy, for example. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's do the same for sell. Pop up. Inventory frame. Sell more. And let's make the same thing. I know guys, we just take this one. Just take this cost frame and final amount and remove this one and put it here, like so, I think. And let's make the same for this one. So let's try this one. For example, we want to sell that. You can sell only okay, wait. Yeah, for selling I forget we need to show this one. Also, yeah, we need to make this cost frame visible to true in our calculate cell. Yeah, like here. And here we take that and put it here, my boys. And let's rename that. Total text. Total refund. In sell more. Yeah. Wait, I think it doesn't fit here. Let's see. sell more, cost frame. Yeah, that's bad. Scale text here, the amount also, scale text probably, or not, wait. Wait, are they on different position? What the hell? Position. Looks like not. Maybe size different. Yeah, of course. Size. Here it should be 1, like this. Okay, and also here the same 1. Okay, so my boys, total refund, here is also scale text. Okay, let's hide this one, and let's go hide this one and this. Okay, let's try. So go to crates, sell. Okay, great. Total refund, sell. Okay, we get that. After selling all, we definitely need to remove selection. Yeah, this is pretty important. Okay, let's remove selection if we sell the last one. I wanna see where we update that and we don't have any amount. What happened? Why disappears? Probably we render again. Yeah, we definitely render, I think, or update. Maybe we have destroy. Text label, only here destroy. Crates. Oh no, this is crates viewer. No, we need to see tab controller. Yeah, crate tab here. Destroy. We need to see amount. Where is amount? Here's okay. So we just every time create that. This is not the best way how to do that, definitely. We can do like so, of course. We can do like so. Shop crates. Okay, let's buy this one, for example. Let's go to inventory, let's go to crates, and we see this one. Sell. Okay, great. So we go here, buy again, go to inventory. Okay, sell again. Yeah, we can do like so. I like that. I like that. Probably we can just make reset switch even. What reset switch does? Stop select item, hide selection buttons, close viewers. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It's not fit completely for us. Hello, hello, welcome, bro. Maybe we need to reset switch anyway, like every time. Maybe. Maybe like so, guys, because when we press open, here will appears animation on the whole screen, and we see animation, and after that we can click again, for example, because we can open it only one by one. Yeah, when we buy, that's a problem. You need to click a lot of times. That's not good. Like so. So maybe we don't need to reset switch here. Reset switch only will be here. Okay, so what's the problem? We need to compare. Maybe that's not a big problem if we leave it like so. Okay, so if so, we can sell all of that, right? And just buy that. Yeah, we just leave it like so. We just leave it like so better. But we need, when we reach 0 crates, we need to reset our viewer, definitely. What is selected item? I'm very interested. Selected item. What we store here? Maybe we store here amount. If we store here amount, this is really good. But I think we store just a name here. It looks like so really. Shop. Let's buy this one. Crate. Okay, just a name. Yeah, we store just a name here. This is interesting that we store only. Maybe we have a data here. Definitely we should have that. Inventory data. Yeah, we have that. Okay, I think I have some idea. We just need to check if selected item equals to name. Here we can do like so. Okay, what is all items? I wanna see how all items looks like. Print all items. Probably this is a index as just a table, like so. Yeah, like this one. Okay, great. So we have a mount here. This is very good that we have that. So if switch or okay, let's create maybe a method. Item exist. Or self item exist. Or not self item exist. Then we reset switch. So here is local all items. Here we need self-selected item just send. Selected item exists, yeah, like this one. For index properties in all items, do if properties dot name equal self-selected item, then return true, and else return, and like this probably should be. Okay, let's try that. Let's try, my boys, this one. Crates, so sell. Okay, nice, my boys, let's go. Okay, let's buy this one. It should work. For example, I want to sell 6 crates. Okay, everything here. For example, I open, okay, that's a lot of to open. Let's sell 55, for example. Okay, and I open 1, 2. Okay, disappeared here. Disappeared, my boys, from here. Great. This is really works. So we just can check that amount every time. So if we have 0 items, it disappears from our viewer. This is very important thing. And its work. By the way, Profan, do you have any tips for making good UI for games? No, bro, I'm absolutely noob about UI. I'm absolutely noob about UI. Phoenix, who sometimes here, he's real professional, bro. I'm noob and I don't know how to make good UI. It takes a lot of time for me, and that's it. You can make like so, I think. Bro, when you open any crate, will you add any cutscene or animation for the crate opening? Yeah, of course, bro. Cutscene will be like crate will be, and it's open, and there's will be like in CS:GO. There's will be like a strip, or how it's called, where a lot of items scrolling like so. Yeah, of course. Now without this one, because this is not the main thing we need to focus. But yeah, I'll make a in Blender crate. I'll make a scene for that, and we'll have that, of course. So let's try again. All works or not. So I wanna buy some crates. Yeah, here we need to fix that. This is not good if it works like so. Let's go to the shop system, in presentation layer, and tab controller, create stop. In create stop, we need to also switch, change a little bit, because now it works incorrectly. Reset switch, yeah, reset switch. We only need that. We only need that when we switch between tabs. Yeah, that's it. Let's make it like we did it before, my boys. Create stop. Let's add to our switch variable here, and if switch, then reset switch. If not, we're not. Reset switch. So where we show items, let's see. Show items. Show items. No, wait. Probably we make that in yeah, I know, guys, I know where we did that. In tab buttons controller, probably. No, not in the buttons controller. Tab controller. Maybe in tab controller. Yo, how are you? Great, bro. Yo, welcome, bro. Okay. Show items. We call that from where? When we switch between tabs. Create model info controller. Category tabs controller, of course, my boys, of course. Show items, nil, and switch here. And let me show what we have now. We go to the shop, we go to the buy crates. It's not removing from here. We can buy, we can open, nothing happens. But when we switch between tabs, selection removed. As you see, there is empty view, there is no blinking eye here. And what we need to make else here. Hello Noel, welcome, bro. Sorry, bro, I will go to study, I will come back. Okay bro, no problem. Okay, so let's now open that. When we open, yeah. Oh, great. This is not disappear from here because this is the shop. We just hide buttons like open, like sell, because we don't have any items here. We can buy more here, we can open more here, and again like so. What I'm making right now in the GUI, I'm fixing the last problems here, like little bugs, little yeah, like little bugs to feel smooth and so on. So okay, this is great. Also we need to, if I'm not wrong, we don't finish. Oh yeah, we have some problems with our inventory. In inventory I didn't make crates your monster survivor viewer. Let's go here. Oh wait, crates, this is for crates, yeah, only for crates tab. So let's remove this. We don't need it. So pop up more. Okay. Get text box amount, we don't need it anymore. Calculate by, calculate cell. Okay, let's see again in inventory. All works great for us or not. First, let's of course buy some crates. By the way, oh yeah, we need to fix this one first. Okay, let's, what the hell, let's make step by step. Let's start with inventory first, and then we finish with shop. Let's buy just like so. For example, this one. Let's go to inventory, let's go to the crates and buy more. Max doesn't work. Yeah, so we need to set up this one for us. Let's create calculate cell max. Calculate cell max. And here maybe we even don't need to create a new method for that. Maybe we just put it here. Wait, what if we do oh yeah, I know. No, probably will be better if we make separate method for that. Okay, let's just take data, money. Okay, let's take this from here. This is calculate cell, yeah, like this, and just put it here. Of course, copy all these variables. And oh yeah, my bad, wait. Of course, we need to place that inside this one. Else, I'm back. Welcome back. Hi, hello. So let's take this one. Amount. Okay, we no, we don't need a lot of things here. We just. What is the game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, so let's make this. So we don't need amount. We don't need amount at all. we just take that maximum money amount. Okay, money amount, just new amount. We don't have any amount. Let's remove one of these. Hello, hello, welcome. No way, finally Noel came. Yeah, bro, yeah. So, okay, amount. What is amount? What the hell? We don't have amount. Okay, let's just place like so. Said hi, hello, hello, hello. Calculate sell max. Probably we can remove this condition like so. You can sell maybe maximum. Yeah, max. No any grades to sell. And else this one. And of course we need to call this method. Calculate sell max. Yeah, let's go here. And this is buy more. Wait, sell more. Okay, self calculate sell max. Okay, let's try. I'm not sure it works, but I hope it works. Sell. Yeah, great, but we need to hide this one. So great. Calculate sell max. Yeah, probably I forget to hide our text box. Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah, what the hell? Why I'm not taking that. Oh yeah, I know why I'm not taking that. Yes, and also we need this cell press plus equals 1. Okay, let's try now. Now it should work. Great, cell. Okay, let's try to sell. That's work, my boys. Okay, let's make the same thing for buying. Buying on the whole money. Calculate buy max. Calculate buy max. Buy max. Let's copy these variables Put it here. Let's copy this. Okay, let's just copy everything, but remove from here amount and text label here. We don't need it at all. By the way, what is text box? We don't need text box here at all. Oh no, we need because we make it invisible. This is very important. You can okay, if okay, if amount more than 1, more than 0, you can buy maximum. Not enough coins. Here is just like this. No, this is not the best way how to do that. Let's better go to create price calculator. Models utils, create price calculator. Oh, what the hell? What the hell, my boys? There's a functions for buy max crate. Okay, get buy max crates without all these big numbers. Get buy max crates. And we don't need the second one. Nice. I've already did that. I've just forget about that. Okay, this is for maximum. And here's let's remove this big number. This is absolutely scary. Get sell max crates, right? Yes, that's it. By the way, have you ever wondered why is there still an option to view iPhone 4S in the device under test when you can barely play any game on iPhone 6? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I test all my games here only starting with iPhone 6, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, because 5 or 4, this is definitely old. Yeah, let's try again. We need to buy one. We need to buy. Okay, something wrong with this one. Okay. Buy more. Maximum. Oh, yeah, my bad, guys. Of course, I forget to remove all of that stuff from here. And we need self. This is for buy more. Okay, self, calculate sell max. Oh, no, buy, calculate buy max. I like this one. Let's remove this. Yeah, it's more better even like so. So now all the methods looks better and more clear. And also very important, here's we need to refresh our self what's this amounts cell pressed. Yeah, very important thing. Yeah, looks great really. Can sell. Let's try inventory crates, sell maximum. Okay, what the hell? compare nil number to nil. Okay, wait, let's go to price calculator, create data. Okay. Hello Phoenix, hello, welcome bro. Hello bro. So price amount. I didn't get what's the problem. Print price amount. So looks like I didn't reach yet sell max crates, right? Yet sell max. Oh wait, my bad. Yet sell max. Oh, what the hell? What's that? Maybe no config, that's the problem. Maybe that's the problem. Sell max, okay. So we have a config, what the hell? So, okay. Yeah, I know guys, I know. Because we don't calculate here as a refund. Yes. We need to calculate refund, of course, my boys, I forget about that. That's my bad. Price, let's do that. Price. Okay, amount. Local amount. Amount here. My bad, my boys. Okay, here's calculate sell nil data. Yeah, because I've already predict all of that, as I see, and I've already calculated all of that. Get by max crates. Okay, let's try now. I've already predict all of that. Sell. Okay, great, my boys. Great. So buy more, maximum 84 crates. Okay. Okay. Now. Let's go, my boys. All works. All works great. So let's check again everything, if everything is good here in inventory or not. Okay. Let's go here. First let's go to the shop. Let's buy something. Yeah, they bugged. Okay. Okay, let's I wanna buy more. For example, I wanna buy 3 only. Buy. Are you sure? 3 crates, total cost 600. 600, 6,500 and so on. Yes, that's true. 10 crates here. Now I wanna sell maximum 10 crates. Total refund, we divide the price by 2. So 200, this is 1000 for 10 crates. That's right. And 7 will be here. Great, my boys, great. Let's buy more. Buy more. Let's try to buy this like so. Okay, great. Sell maximum 12 crates. Great, great. So I close that. For example, I do this number. You can send only 12 crates. Buy more. For example, I wanna buy this amount of crates. Okay, wait. We need probably it's broken because of some. We need to put some restrictions for this one. More, I don't know, maybe more than 1 million we need to fix amount. I don't know, maybe because of so big amount it's broken. Let's really add one thing which restrict this. What will this game be about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level with procedural generated maps. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. So let's go, my boys. I forget what I should do. I forget. Oh, okay, sell. Oh yeah, restrict this text box, of course. So let's go to inventory system. That's it. Let's go to viewer control, create viewer. Let's just create a method which will be a text box limiter. That's it. Maybe we just, when we initialize all of that, we can put that. Calculate by. No, we guys can. Let's make like so. Let's make it here. If amount more or equals to okay 1 million, I think, then amount equal 1 million. Okay, let's make a local limit equals to this one. Like this one. And oh, this is just limiter. Calculate by. Here we don't need calculate cell also. Yeah, it's probably restrict to and Great, my boys, great, it fixed. Let's try to sell the same. Nice, no any problems, great. So easy to fix. Okay, so this is limiter. Like 1 million crates, definitely you don't need to sell or buy at once. Even if you need, you can make it in 2 turns, I think. Hi, hello. So, okay, let's see, maybe some other bugs we have here. Let's go here. Sell maximum 12 crates, great. Buy more, I wanna 25 crates because I have 5,000 coins. So I buy that 37, great. I wanna sell that maximum 37 crates, okay. Okay, that's great. Let's now do something like so for our shop. That's great. That it's definitely better than we did before, because we update total cost at the beginning. Now we just if it'll be better, guys, it'll be definitely better if you, for example, wanna buy a lot of like 1000 crates, and it'll be better if you need additional confirm. Maybe you misclick and you buy more than you want. So if you wanna buy just one, you press the button and you immediately buy that. If you wanna buy like custom amount, you need confirmation, so you need to click twice. Like, are you sure you wanna buy 1000 crates for this amount of coins? It'll definitely prevent the people accidentally buy crates. Yeah, so it's better. So, my boys, now let's go to the shop, let's fix bugs here. Let's see. Let's open shop system, presentation. Let's go in our viewer controller. Create viewer only we need. And here, pop up. Let's create also method for everything, because just separate pop-up buy more, pop-up sell more, this is not optimized code, definitely. So let's go here, create viewer, let's copy, where is it, pop-up more, yeah, and let's copy this method, and after, let's place it after, I don't know, maybe after update. Yeah, we have also, yeah, because we have these text box limiters and so on. Let's close that. This is not, and here is a loops. This is definitely not the best way how to do that. This way, how I did it now, this better. Okay, creates viewer. Oh, it even called like so, great. Pop up by more, also don't need. We'll replace that just from here. Okay, my boys, let's copy so let's see where we call that. Yeah, we just need in initialize method here, just sell, open, sell and buy more, sell, okay, sell and buy more, buy, like this one. Oh yeah, I just don't need to forget, we need pop-ups like this one. Let's copy it from here and let's delete these ones and put here new ones, because we changed a little bit them. Okay, so pop up more we got. Let's see, let's add this calculate by. We just copy that, from here, calculate by max. Oh, just copy all of that and put after pop up more, yeah, like this. After this one, we just put that. No any errors even. That's interesting. Okay, and here's, of course, we also need to call these methods. Let's go to init pop-up buttons and pop-up frame backup visible. It's probably we can even copy all of them. Looks like so. By more, let's just copy all of that. Let's just copy all of that. Okay, let's try. Go to the shop. Buy works great. As you see, buy more maximum. Okay, no, doesn't work for some reason. Buy more. 30 crates, yeah, that's work. Buy, that's work. Sell, I wanna sell. Wait. Oh, I know, guys, what's the problem? Of course, in our constructor, I forget to add very important things, very important variables here. Because without this, it doesn't work. Sell more, buy more, what's that? Probably I tried to do something like this one. Okay. Sell more. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was here, we don't need it anymore. So let's try again, my boys. So let's go to the shop. Let's sell some crates. I wanna 80 crates. Great. I get some money, buy more, maximum 9 crates. Why? Because I have not a lot of money. We buy that. I wanna sell, for example, I don't know, 4 crates. For 4 crates I get 400 coins. Great. So maximum for 5 crates. Buy more, max. I wanna not enough money. Okay. Sell maximum. Buy, not enough money. So my boys, great, all works great. Finally. And I wanna check one more thing. When we go to the here, sell max. Okay, wait, I wanna open this. I wanna go here to the crates. Sell max, go to the shop. Okay, it's updated, great. But I noticed one more bug, guys. As you see, I select, for example, this guy and I switch to the shop, and it's still selected. So we need, when we switch between tabs, we need to deselect from our viewer and deselect our items. So because, okay, here is deselected. But here is not, okay, only in the shop. But looks like in the crates it's also not. Yeah, as you see. So we need to also update that when we switch between tabs here. So let's remove here unnecessary things, all of that code. Cell cancel we don't need at all, because this is cell buttons. What is cell buttons? What the hell? Buttons, cell buttons. We really have that for grades? I can't believe in that. Okay, shop frame, items frame, not viewer, buttons, cell buttons, for crates. We don't need it. We don't need it at all. Let's remove that. Cell buttons. This is unnecessary things here. And the same thing for here. In our inventory frame. Viewer, crates, buttons, cell buttons. We don't need it anymore. Let's remove that. Cell buttons from here. Also unnecessary buttons here. And that's it. Code more clean and optimized now. Great. Finally, my boys. So look like a, oh yeah, switch between tabs, of course, switch between tabs. I wanted to make switch between tabs. Where we do that? Category tabs control, maybe buttons controller. Maybe category tabs controller. Wait. Yeah, let's think how we call inventory or shop. Probably from tab controller. Tab controller. No. Buttons controller. Selection mode, page navigation, filter UI, category tabs, maybe. Filter info main controller, no. Sound manager, tab controller, maybe really tab controller. Oh, okay, maybe in buttons controller. Yeah, looks like so. Buttons controller. Top bar buttons shop. Oh, yeah. Yes, that's it. Tab survivor. What? Why I'm doing like so here? It's for tab in this one, do tab reset viewer instead of making like so. Okay, so when I select the shop, reset viewer, and also tab. Okay, wait, reset viewer. Reset switch, probably also tab. Maybe like this. Let's try copy this one to our buttons controller here in our shop. No, we don't do anything here at all. Okay, let's go here. Switch, right? Just reset switch probably. It'll be enough. Let's try. So I open, for example, here's and here's. I switch to inventory. Okay, it's deselected, but here is not. So for some reason it doesn't work in inventory. It's interesting why. Top reset viewer. Be like this one. Okay, selection, go to the crates. Anyway. Why selection is not disappear? Buttons controller. Okay, so we go to survivor stop, great stop, for example. Reset viewer. What is reset viewer? What the hell? We don't need it at all. I think this is really do the same like this. This is useless method, I think. Reset viewer controller reset. Okay, what is viewer controller reset for the monster stop? Thus, I'm very interested. Self-clear. Okay. Okay, I've got it. What's the difference? Okay, let it be like so. Top select item. Like this, probably. Yeah, it'll be more better to understand. Because everywhere we just reset viewer. Yeah. Okay, great. Reset viewer we need definitely. Okay, let's see. Crates I select, right? I select crate here. I go to inventory. Only in one way it works for some reason. or not. So reset view, reset switch. So we have these methods, right? We have. Wait, maybe I just put the wrong controllers. Reset switch. Reset switch. Stop select item. Okay, they all work, but selection don't remove. Interesting, interesting. UI animation, stop selection false. Green button. Okay, let's see, like so. For survivors it doesn't work for some reason. Let's see why it doesn't work for survivors. Interesting, very interesting. Survivor stop. What's the difference and why it resets? Post selection buttons. So all the same, absolutely. Okay. Yeah, that's not a big deal. Okay, this is just visual problem. Yeah, let's see if all works great or not. This is I worry really more. Okay, let's buy. Okay, we don't have money to buy. Let's wipe the data and see again. So okay, so we have empty inventory. I wanna buy tank crates. Okay, great. Okay, I bought that. Sell. sell more. For example, I wanna sell 25. Okay, great. Wanna buy one more. I wanna buy 10. Okay. I wanna buy maximum 5,000. I'll have, right? I wanna sell everything. Okay. I wanna go to the shop, buy some new crates. What the hell again? Okay, what's the problem with this one? Hey Profan, why don't you make like stats cups? Like I see some rare have better stats than high rarity. I know we can still get it with gacha, but it's like not looks cool for me. What? Why don't you make like stats cups? Like I see some rare have better stats than high rare. What you're talking about? I don't understand you. You about this? Like this? Range stats? Stats ranges? Or what do you mean? Like here? To put it here? Or what? So what's the problem? What's a bug here? Like lower rarity stats can't surpass better than the higher stats. Because it removes a lot of like if you have epic, for example, you can get everything epic, not more, like so. Or if your guy is common, you can get only common stats, right? What do you think? So what's the problem with this one? Selected self-selected item. Oh yeah, I know. I think what's the problem here? Well, it looks like we don't have selection. So this is fear, right? But how we call that? Like lower rarity stunts, like is the monster and survivor still have stats like speed, damage, etc.? Yes, but I don't get your question. What's I'm asking about? Yeah, they have. Okay, what a show. create sphere. Probably this is a problem with this one. Selected item. Oh, wait. Select item. Maybe I just remove that. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see create stop in inventory system. What the hell? Create stop in inventory system. Selected item. Where we set that? Self-selected item. Maybe here. Before, when I playtest that game, I open a lot of crate and I see that my epic survivor stats is lower than my rare survivor stats, like the rare stats better on speed and other stats. Yes. But if I do not like so, there's a decrease a lot of variations of survivors. So that's the reason why is it so. And this is I did it. I thought about that, but it decreased variations a lot of times. So, for example, if someone gets superior ninja, for example, it's automatically will be the best one of the all of the a lot of guys. But if not, if we leave it like so, like it's right now, you can get superior, but superior, for example, this is high speed in the game, and it balance the game like so. Because really, if you get superior, you'll be better of all. You always will be faster. You always will have more HP. You always will have, I don't know, abilities, and it'll be not so fair. Yeah, some guys of course get superior, which will be superior with all stats. Yeah, that's it. But if I allow this rarity for all stats the same, it'll be really not so fair, I think. We'll try anyway. If it feels not fair, we remake and make different. This is not a big deal to make it different, but I think to balance, because you can get superior, you can get okay, not superior, okay, secret, the highest rarity now. If you get secret ninja, he, for example, have highest move speed in the game, but at the same time he has lowest HP in the game. That's why. But imagine if he has highest speed in the game and highest health in the game. This is kills the balance at all. Like other guys just stop the play probably, because they see, oh, this is the guy superior, so definitely he just win this game. So that's why I decided like so, and it gives a lot of variations. It gives a lot of variations to get different survivors. Maybe some of survivors will be better because they have abilities. Maybe some of survivors will be better because they have more health, and that's it. Like even there is no best survivors for the game. Like let's say a fighting game have a strong weapon and people keep using it, it's OP, but for your game you didn't want people focus on one survivor only. Yes, bro. Yes, definitely. You can get the best survivor ever, bro, but there is so low chance for that. You should be incredibly lucky, bro, to get superior with all stats, with highest ability. It's almost impossible, bro, almost impossible, yeah. But you can sometimes get 2 superior stats. You already will be better than others, but also you should be very lucky for that. So that's it. So yeah, best survivor doesn't exist, definitely. Always some of your parameters probably will be not the best like you want. Also, the rare thing from the survivor and monster is not the reality but the stats. Rare thing from the survivor and monster is not rarity, bro, defined by highest rarity of any stats, except quality, if I'm not wrong. So the highest, for example, you have epic health and other stats common. You have epic health and other stats common, this survivor will be epic, bro. So that's why how it calculates. We not choose a random rarity we choose the rarity depending on highest stat rarity, like so. So that's it. So rarity defined only by using the highest rarity of stat, of highest stat, yeah. Of highest rarity stat, yeah, that's it. So really, you have chance to get superior at least with 2 or 3 stats. Okay, not superior, secret, the highest rarity. But at the same time, maybe 2 guys, 5 guys, 10 guys, I don't know, in the whole game can get that, and it'll be so rare, so people don't feel unfair, because people donate. Some people donate a lot of Robux, for example, and they get for example, superior guys who really will be better than others. So this is pay to win. This is pay to win, definitely. And this allows us to keep the balance somehow, definitely. So even if you donate a lot, you can get superior, for example, but this is not guarantee that the other guy who just opened one crate and he get superior also. So that's it. Or maybe who donate, he got 5 superiors, but they all like have a lot of HP but very slow move speed. And you get superior who has and good move speed and good health, or even not superior. So that's it. So the rarity system is rely on the stats. Yes, only on the stats. It's not automatically it's chosen by the stats. I see how you constantly keep the game is in balanced. Anyway, it's all we'll see on the playtests. This is my thoughts about that. This is my thoughts only, and it allows people to open the crates a lot. You always need to open the crate to get maybe better, to get to maybe you'll find the better one, maybe you'll find the because if people get superior secret survivor, they probably don't need anymore to open the crates, because they have the best one in the game. Why they need to? But if they need to better survivor, always they open more crates. So that's it. Because really, when you get 3 survivors superiors with superior stats and with abilities, you definitely no need any, and the game, you don't play the game anymore, I think, because this is not interesting. There is no gambling. There is no gambling anymore. Definitely, of course, I think definitely people wanna feel the progress. right? Right. And I think I'll add some upgrades, maybe. Upgrades and all level... I think I'll add upgrades or level system or something like so, because people really want to feel progress when they play. Because just play again, just because of crates, this is probably boring. And will be probably... So you have survivors, I think, and maybe will be upgrades which influence on all your survivors and on all your monsters, for example. Like you get the level, you upgrade some not okay, some passive abilities, like increase your speed by 2% or something like so. So that's it. Because really people want to feel progress, and this is very important. If we don't have upgrades at all, this is definitely but probably I have interesting system how to make that interesting. So maybe there will be a branch to upgrades, and you can choose only one, or you can reset all of that and start new one, like so. I don't know, we'll see guys. But definitely upgrades, I wanna make that. I wanna make here. By the way, Profan, I still remember you telling me how important it to keep my admin panel safe from any kind of exploiter, and what that I have question for you. What a question, bro? Or you can... What a question, bro, about this? Combined system and cell system. Yeah, I wanna just combine. Will be upgrades probably, or something like so, because really without progress, just playing because of the crates, this is boring. Agree? Definitely agree. At least for me this is boring, like when you don't feel a progress, just endless gameplay because you need to open the crate. This is boring. So will be upgrades, but how I make that, we'll see. And at the beginning, of course, I add this system probably after release, but probably it should be here in such a game. I'm back. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back. So alright, for the question, like, I want to ask, what if a tester use like exploit or executor to find where the exploiter can exploit the game and make the game broke? What if a tester use like exploit? You asking about my game or your game? I don't understand. Like what if my tester use exploit to find loopholes, or what? Yeah, you don't need to release it with a completed pack of game. There is something we call update. Yes. I'm making just the basic gameplay, like people can play test and play test this game, and of course updates will be after release, because a lot of people wait to release this game, and it should be 30 days, as you remember, and it's already a lot of time. So definitely I need to release it as soon as possible. So I'll make basic things which I want to make and release the game, and after that, of course, will be upgrade system and other stuff. I'm exploiting, yeah. I have 4 tests next week. I have to study and I have to work on the game and other stuff. Wish you good luck, bro, in your tests, bro. I'm asking about your game, of course, bro. I like if some of you try to exploit my game, bro. Definitely, I like that. I want that, bro, always, because because this will show me where my weak points. So if you wanna exploit, bro, feel free to exploit, bro. And of course it will be better if you tell me what. So if someone exploiting my games, but they tell me, even not testers, just the players, tell me like, oh bro, I exploited in your game and I get this thing, or I did this thing, so yeah, I'm not ban probably them if they not overuse that. So definitely guys, definitely I don't mind that if they don't overuse that, like in to break economy or something, like to break the whole game. Definitely if they tell me about that, about exploit the weak points, I'm very happy to hear that, definitely. Because if there exist, this is my bet, guys. This is my bet. This means I need to work more and make more protection. Yeah, like we're testing the security layer and like click point. Yes, bro. Yes. Yeah, I guess just don't disturb anyone with it. Yeah, bro. If you wanna exploit, feel free, bro. So really, okay. What code are you currently working for? This is the game in Roblox, like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is a 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay. Select item. Probably the problem was here. Let's see. Shop crates. Yeah, that's work. Okay, let's go to here. Crates. Let's. Okay, that's work. Let's sell everything. Let's go to the shop. Okay, yeah, that's it. Because selected item equals to nil, definitely. Get crate. What the hell? I think I know. Because we update get crate data, and our selected item now equals to nil. Yeah, that's it. Let me disclaimer for you. So for of the tester including me, I want to tell you this doesn't mean we can use exploit on his game. The exploit can only be used when we do a testing together and not for bad thing. Yes, bro, you're right. Thank you. Yes, guys. Only for testing. If you just overuse that, if you just use it to get some to cheat in the game, of course I'll ban these people. If you use that to show loopholes and not overuse that, so definitely I'm not ban you. So for testing, right? So I know what's the problem, because selected item equals to nil. That's why Roblox rolled out that update that you can exploit on your own games without being detected. I didn't get you, bro. Yeah, ban them, lock them into your basement. Yes, bro. Yeah, but how about tester for the game? What are you asking, bro? I don't understand. The better way, bro. The better way, like everyone. Yeah, I have testers which in Discord, but a lot of people just test A lot of people, a lot of players just test that. So I don't need 20 testers like before. This is not needed really. I don't know, but Roblox now lets owner of the game exploit on their own game. It was forbidden? I don't know. I thought it's allowed because this is my game, so why not? Probably, of course, guys. If you use external applications, which detected with the Roblox player or something like so, of course you can be banned. But I don't use external applications to cheat. I mean, maybe I use some my code. That's it. Why you exploit? The owner tell me to do that. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What if we do? If not selected item, then return end. Yeah, final top one. Yeah, bro. Okay, sell. No way, it's work. I can't believe it doesn't work. I guarantee you guys. What? It's work. It's definitely work. What the hell? No way. It's work, my boys. It's work. So easy. What? I can't believe. There is some trick. I think there are some errors will be here. Okay, let's try to sell here. Very interesting. Why it's work? What the hell? Yeah, let's try to open maybe. Okay, sell 5, for example. Open, buy. It's work. Open, buy more. Very interesting. Not updated inventory. Congrats. Thank you, or you congrats Phoenix. Not update our this tab. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back. So we need to update that. Maybe we have, let's go here. It's in inventory, right? Right. Wait, very strangely, why it don't update? So, what are you working on right now? I'm fixing bugs in my shop. Fixing bugs and shop in inventory, last steps. Okay, as you see in inventory we don't have a crate. Oh, I know guys, I think I know what's the problem. We don't render this, yeah. We don't render this one. This is pretty important. So let's go here in main controller. Inventory buttons, controller, current top, render items. Because probably just update the amount here. Render items. What if we do like so? Let's try again. Okay, let's buy. Okay. What? I've got it, what's the problem, guys. But here are some problems, probably. Okay, let's sell 20 and sort amount. Yeah, filters doesn't work for us. If we do like so, yeah, that's it. That's it. But if we don't make it like so, amount, yeah, like this. Why it appears here, I'm very interested, by the way. I also want to see one more thing in our inventory. For example, sort by rarity, and let's sell this guy. Okay, alright. Interesting. So when we switch back, let's see how we show if switch. Reset switch. Very interesting. So selection mode, so I switch back and it's for some reason, wait, I think it just doesn't render again. Yeah, looks like so, really. Of course it doesn't render. That's for fun. I already done writing call announce disclaimer for all of the tester on the server. I can delete if you want to do it yourself. No, bro, you can write. Thank you, bro. You can write this. Okay, wait. Please read. I aware that I misunderstood anything. Okay, let me check. Yeah, bro. Thank you. Great, 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 Phoenix. Thank you for that, really, bro. I appreciate that, bro. All right, you're right. All right. So the problem, we don't render items. Yeah, we don't render items when we switch. Maybe like this one. Let's try. My camera works. Nice. So create, sell, inventory, create, buy, inventory. wait, current tab. We have current tab, by the way. Oh yes, current tab. Self. Current tab. Render items. So maybe like so. Let's try. Inventory crates. Shop. How much till the UI is done? Almost done, bro. Very close to finish that. Coins probably I'll make like donations I'll make before release, so almost done. Just small fixes and should be right. Okay, inventory ninja crate. Interesting. Before GTA 6, yes bro, yes. Definitely. Okay, selection we remove from here. Great, yeah bro, yeah. So anyway, anyway, what are you working on right now? Shop and inventory GUI. Fixing small bugs. Okay, crates. Let's sell that. Inventory crates. Oh wait, what the hell? So as you see, there's ninja crate disappears. What? Then crate is here. It's very interesting. Like so. Okay. Tank crate, let's sell that. Very interesting. So current tab render items. I need to see what is items here. Create stop all items. Wait, if update what? Filter table new. Self get items. Hey Profan, didn't you think this game easy way to explain is like right now the player only pay for coins to get a crate and open it to get stats that we want. But what if the player think Like I guess this stats is OP already, and I also already have tons of crates. I guess I already beat the game. Yeah, this is what I told to you. This is probably, I'll add definitely some upgrades here, because people should feel the progress. So coins, this is coins and crate, this is only at the beginning. Later I'll add something else. Yeah, I'll add something else, because people anyway should feel a progress, not only crates. Crates, this is not enough, definitely. Wait, without this one, and we wanna see. The same, absolutely the same. Problem with something different here. But with what? Very interesting. All items. Probably print all items. Probably all items, the problem. I don't know. And like more mechanics, like streak mods already suggested by me, I guess. Like rank also, it's really important to have cool mechanics. Let's say rivals, people loves it because the camera is so dynamic. Yes, bro, but I need to make a basic game first. To add any ideas, I need to make it playable first. A lot of ideas, a lot of we discuss about that. But anyway, until there is no game, bro, there's no new mechanics. Yeah, I'll read a little bit later your suggestions. I saw that, bro. Like a lot of mechanics, like clutch with knife or RPG and grenade can make you semi-fly and more. Yes, the game also need like cool mechanics. Of course, bro, of course, definitely need. First need a progress, the second need the mechanics, of course. But first, there is now not a game to play, bro. First, this is very important. First, I need to make a basis, strong basis, and because if I'll make a lot of mechanics here, it's people don't play the game where there's a lot of mechanics and they all broken. There's a lot of bugs. Definitely they don't enjoy the game. So wait, so if I itself filtered, if I just remove this one, all works? Let's see. Probably yeah, probably yeah. So yes, all works. Great. So the problem guys, we need to update when we render items. That's why it doesn't work correctly now. Where we update, probably here. Create stop. Create stop. Maybe we need to render everything. I don't know. Let's try everything. Top. Let's try. Because I no have idea. Okay, go to the shop. Okay, what? Anyway, it's broken now. If we do like so. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll fix it later. So, my boys, for today that's all, my boys. Thank you all who watched. Thank you all who was here. Thank you all who helped. And see you. What today is? Sunday, right? See you tomorrow, my boys. By the way, for fun, I saw some of game now have a cool viewport. I don't know what it should called, but like now we can rotate model character inside the viewport, so we can see it from 360 view. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. Definitely, I need that. Interesting, bro. Yeah, that's cool. So, my boys, thank you all, and see you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.